Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a chain. I have another video on how to make a slip knot. Just really quickly. There that is. And then I'm working with a H 5mm crochet hook. And to make a chain, you yarn over. This is just grabbing that yarn with your hook. Pull it through that loop on your hook. Like that. You just continue to do that. Your tension is going to be based on how you hold your yarn tight or loose, and how fast you work, and could be controlled by the music you're listening to. You listen to fast music, I tend to crochet faster and tighter. Slow music, you can relax and it'll be looser. Actually, you just have to learn, you just have to work on your tension. With practice, you'll get better and better at it. You're just yarning over, pulling through that loop. Now, you want to be able to fit your hook through the loop, so you don't want it to be too tight like this, because then it won't fit. So you give up on this finger a little bit. You can pull down on this, on the chain, to make that loop a little bit bigger to be able to fit through it. And as I create a chain, I move my thumb and my middle finger up on that chain. So just keep moving it up like that. And it'll just take some work to get that right once you've mastered how you hold your yarn, which I have another video on how to do that. And you want your chain to be even, so you can undo it and redo it several times till you have perfected how you want your chain to look. But I wouldn't expect it to be perfect the first time. It takes a little bit of practice just to get used to that. Okay. There's your chain. I hope this has helped you. You're just grabbing, pulling that yarn towards you, pulling it in there through that loop. And then moving the thumb and middle finger up as you go. Well, I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.